Hey friends, let me tell you about Jeremiah. Once there lived a boy named Jeremiah. When he was only a child, he heard God say, "Before you were born, I knew you. I chose you to be a prophet." Jeremiah was scared. He said, "But God, I am too young. How can I do this?" God replied, "Do not say that you are too young. Do not be afraid. I will be with you." Then God touched Jeremiah's mouth and said, "I have put my words in your mouth. I am calling you to speak." Many years later, when the people of Jerusalem were taken far from their homes, Jeremiah brought them a message of hope. Jeremiah shared. He said, "This is what God says. As long as the sun, the stars, and the moon stay in their places, and the waves of the sea continue to roll, the people of Israel will be my people." Jeremiah also said, "This is what God says. I have loved you with an everlasting love." And shout for joy at the top of your lungs. Raise cheers. Sing praises. Jeremiah became a powerful voice of truth. People didn't always want to hear his words, but he still spoke them. Even though some of the things he said were hard to hear, we still use his words of hope, peace, love, and justice today. Share with your family. Have you ever wished that you were older or younger? I have. What's special about the age that you are right now? What gifts do you have right now that can help make a difference in the world? What message do you think God is calling you to share? Thanks for sharing the story with me.